So, sorry for the wind if that's being pretty bad. It's pretty windy today, about 16, 17 mile an hour wind. Yeah, I'm at a new lake that I haven't fished here in Western Illinois called Lake McMaster. And it's gotta be probably the clearest lake I've ever seen that's not in Michigan. This is ridiculous, ridiculous clarity. I don't know if I can, get you to see any of it. Probably not. So these all used to be strip mines. That's why they're real deep, really rocky. But yeah, the winds could be an issue today. The clarity might have to go slow, might have to do with a Wacky or jerkbait. So I got about an hour. To fish. So do a little hour challenge, see what I can catch on a lake that I've never been at. I don't know if you can see how clear this water is, but gosh darn, man. That is some clear ass water. Nice, there's one. Thanks, bud. There, you can see him right on there. I can see him. I'm just sight fishing right now. We're in very deep water. Did I thought I plugged it in. Yep, it's gonna be a wacky kind of day, because you can see all the way to the bottom, man. And I'm in 17 feet here, and you can see all the way to the bottom of the all the way to the bottom of the lake. Thanks, bud. Thanks, bud. There's two. All right, so do a little something different. Well, I love it when you all send me stuff to try out. So a subscriber reached out and he ties his own jigs, mostly hair jigs. I've never thrown a hair jig, ever. I don't know the first thing about hair jigs. I don't know the first thing about using them, but yeah, we'll see. He did say his tip was to use it on a medium spinning rod or a medium bait caster. I did bring my spinning rod with me because I was just brought in because I just wanted to keep things kind of light today. So I didn't bring a spinning rod, but I did bring my medium, which acts kind of like a medium light. So I just want to show you these things real quick. So made with bucktail and fox hair, hand tied, like you can see, pretty light hook on it. It's kind of finesse hook. But he said, you know, you kind of just work it like a normal jig. Let it go off the bottom, lift it up, jig it up a couple times, keep going. He did give me a tip on a different way that he fishes these, which I might try probably tomorrow. But wow, I think it's really light. So he just said, well, I should probably bring it and see how fast, see how slow it goes. Okay. So it sinks down pretty quick. Let it hit the bottom, he said, and then jig it up. So yeah, if you got things that you want me to try out, reach out to me. I don't bite. You can find my email in the description or on my YouTube page. You can also follow me on Instagram and DM me there. I'm happy to try out these baits, man. I'm always looking for new ways to fish. And new baits usually are a pretty good way of trying something new that you wouldn't try. Like I said, using a hair jig. I know people up here in the north use them for smallmouth. They work pretty well for smallmouth. I don't know if there's smallmouth in here. It's deep enough, clear enough, big enough. There's some current that they could live in here. But I don't really know. I didn't really look that hard at the, I guess, all the regulations and everything. I don't plan on keeping anything out of here, and I don't plan on going more than state regulated amount of hooks. So yeah, I know there are big slab crappie in here. Maybe they'll eat one of these. We'll see. But yeah, like I said, guys, I love, if you got baits that you want me to try that you're making yourself, you know, you want to get somebody to try them out, send them my way. I'll give them a shot. I'll even pay for shipping. Because I want everybody to kind of, you know, I want everybody as this community to get together and grow. And you can only do that if you participate, right? See if I can catch anything in the hour that I have. I'm using green pumpkin purple. Purple, I like to have purple in my baits. Green pumpkin, because it's so clear in here. I have a feeling they can probably see it pretty well. So I'm not too worried about, even though there's a lot of chop on the water, I'm not overly worried about them being able to find my bait. Yeah. And if you can tell, I do not know how to fish hair jigs. I got something big here on the hair jig. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass. Thanks, bub. Nice. There's one fish on that one, so yeah, I'll kind of just, I thought that might have been grass, but so what I'm doing basically is just, like you said, slowly jigging this thing. Well, I'm glad to know that they work. They look too good not to be honest with you. They look too good not to.